Facebook be like government work. Now monthly 90 they pay. When you want post your content, I beg. If you know say this content now good content where people go watch, no post them. All right. Now I don't come again to come tell you some secret where I just discover for this Facebook business. Now for some of now where don't they follow me for some time now, when I go see say I don't pause as in regards to coming to teach people about Facebook. Why? Because say I know they can't teach people about Facebook so that when I go view I go get money. No, and they can't advise people, tell you some secrets where go help una grow una pages and also benefits the kind money where we say some of us they benefit too for this Facebook. We no get anything to hide for una. Even though we hide them, we no fit chop the money finish because they say the sky is big enough for all birds to fly. Now this thing na secret where we say I just realized for Facebook. It can't be say now we say they want monetize Nigeria. It good make you learn this thing where we say I won't talk, so that you too go benefit from this thing where people they benefit from for Facebook, and you know go make the same mistake where we say I make, so that when you post content, your content go generate money for you where we say you deserve. Okay, now this content so on they see so this content get 35,000 likes, 2,300 comments, 10,100 shares. That is huge amount of engagement. But you know what? I no make shishi from that content. Even though as my Facebook they monetize, so I no get money from that content. Now make I tell you now the reason why, so that I no go make the same mistake. All right. Now when I know say Facebook no be like other platforms like YouTube and Apple Music, other things where we say anytime where we say you post something, even though in the next 20 years people come view them, then go they pay you. Facebook no be like that. Facebook they calculate your engagement and your views from the first day of the month till the last day of the month. Now in they go give you. Now understand? Facebook be like government work. Now monthly 90 they pay. Now this content so the month where we say I post them, you no get views that month. People no watch them, people no engage. Now the next month the thing come begin they get views. So Facebook no give me shishi for all these views where we say I get. So because if I check the views for this content, it get about 2 million views. That is about 1 million of naira. I no get them. Why? Because say I no post them. At the time, the month we say I post them, it no go viral that month. People no watch on that month. So what thing I want advice you now? Learn this thing. So leave the video and Wizkid matter. Learn this thing so that when you begin to monetize, so that when you begin to collect money from Facebook, you go to collect big money. They say wisdom is profitable to direct. When you want post your content, I beg. If you know say this content now good content where people go watch, no post time ending of the month. Once it be on the 25th, on the 26th, on the 27th, save that content from the beginning of the month. The reason why, if you post that for the beginning of the month, so that the content go fit stay long enough. Maybe the content no fit go viral that first week where you post them, but the second week or third week, the content fit go viral till the ending of the month, so that you go fit stay long enough to help you generate your money where you say you deserve. Now you say they want monetize Nigeria, so learn this thing. Now understand. Some of people will say they can't teach on Facebook every day. Say they be Facebook gurus, when I mentors, when they listening to every day. Those ones they just can't teach them and then get views. Some of them all these secrets they don't go tell you now. They go keep it to themselves. But I don't give you this secret now for free. The only thing we going website going me do share this video. No keep it to yourself. So that our society will be a better place. Now they say Nigeria monetize, so many people go want join Facebook. Share and make them see and make them learn. So that they don't go make the same mistake we say I make. So that they go feel get money we say them deserve when they post content. Alright. Thank you very much.